2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some Gnarls Barkley. Crazy. So this is a cool song. Fun for beginners. We got open chords. Let's put the capo on the 3rd fret, please. So we will have an A minor shape. 1, 2, 3. C major. 1, 2, 3. F major. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how I play F major. A lot of people play like this, but. And then we have an E7. 1, 2. Okay, so the song starts with 4 hits on A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, then A minor. Down, 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 C. Down, 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 F. E7. A minor. Before the chorus, we got a weird rhythm a little bit. So we got over the E, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So we switch on 3 there and do 2 hits on A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Chord here, they go to A major instead. So from A minor, we want to grab A major. Okay, so A major to F major, down, 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 C major, E7, back to regular verse. Part, we go to A major, F major, C major, that's it. That's all the chords. 4 chords, well, 5 with the A major. Okay, so let's review everything. We got the hits in the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the verse, A minor, C, F, E7, and the groove is down, 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 down. Yeah, and then we got the last part, which is A major, and then instead of C, we go to F there. Now C. Crazy, like Gnarls Barkley. Thanks, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Take it easy. Thank you.